Hey folks, Jonathan here, back on the rat rod, getting the steering done. This is part 2 of 2, and so in other words, I've got to get it done. I don't have a choice, and kind of in a hurry anyway. I want to take it to the cruising tomorrow night, right up the road here. And anyway, so what I've run into, this is a manual box, GM, mid-60s. Okay, the piece that was on this, the spline piece, that I don't know if it had a rag joint or not, but it may have. I can't remember now. But anyway, we used that piece in the 62 Willys rat rod build, and we used the column. So I don't have one, and I've looked everywhere and I couldn't find one. And the power steering rag joint is just a little bit big. I mean, it just slips on it. So what I've decided to do, let me sit it down here and I'll show you, is take some of this 3M Super 77 spray glue. We're going to spray it in here and then just stick it on and wait. I think it'll be alright. Okay folks, seriously now, I got to be careful doing that stuff because people take me seriously, and probably because they skip around in the video. But anyway, I don't have the right spline for this. I've looked everywhere, pulled a couple off. Everything seems to be bigger on the power steering units and stuff, and I just don't have anything. So what I did was I went and pulled one off of a, let me see, a 2001 Chevrolet that had the rack and pinion steering, and this is what I came up with. As you can see, it's got 2 flats on it. It's round. So I'm going to take, and because it don't matter the location, because the bolt, you see how the bolt goes through. Well, this is tapered all the way around, but I want to make sure we go down far enough so it slides on. So we're going to flatten 2 sides of this. We're going to do it with a grinder and just keep at it, take our time, and try to get it as perfect as we can get it, and it will tighten down on it okay. And I can open it up just a little bit and then make sure it tightens tight on it. So that's the plan, because I don't have any other options right now. So that's a little better than gluing it. Alright, show you more. Okay folks, we've got this down where we need it. Well, let's get it back off. Flatten both sides, had to take it down just a little bit, and we still got our rib in there, and that's where the bolt goes through. So we're good to go on that. You trust me, it's safe, there's no problem. So what we're going to do is this collapsible joint. Don't collapse far, but it is collapsible. And then it's a double D into here, which is solid, and then this, which is hollow. And it's going to go up. Now, I'm welding everything just because I like to weld everything. So that's what we're going to have. And then we're not running I was going to run a short tilt column like I talked about on a foreign car, but first, there's no room in this thing at all. And second, you know, they're just so big and bulky and ugly. So what I've done was removable steering wheel. We're going to run this bigger wheel, but we've got the quick connect where we can take the wheel off, put it back on. So that'll make it a whole lot nicer. Alright folks, we've got it enough to be able to go test. So no, we don't. I've got a little welding to do on the front, on this bracket on the frame yet, then we're going to go test. But what we've done is we've got the steering all hooked up. We've just got this in here. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to go about it, but I want to see how this thing's going to do. So I shortened this up. I brought the steering up some, so there's actually plenty of room. I can get in it with the steering wheel on, but you know, it makes it nice when you can take it off. But well, when you got 2 hands to take it off, I quit. Noah can't get it. One-handed, Noah. Here, you grab that side. There we go. All right, so it's not going to fall off anyway. So we're going to take it down the road and give it a try and see what it's like. See if it'll stay in one lane at least. So a little welding to do, and then we'll do that. All right. Okay, folks, this is what I've been using the spray glue for. My boot. No, spray some on there for me, buddy. That'll work. I haven't had these boots that daggone long either. Alright, we're on our test drive. So far it feels good. Steering's really nice. I think we're alright. We're alright with the steering on the front, but we're not alright with the back because I can feel it. I can feel it kicking when I let the clutch out. Hit the gas, you can feel the ass or the back slide over. And so we're going to do a panhard bar, and that should take care of it. Should drive really nice. I can actually keep it one lane now, but we'll run it here a little bit and see how it does.
Like he does now.
Hey, buddy. Thank you,
Bathroom sheetrock is done. Of course, the floors are all done. Sheetrock's all done. This room is done, and most of the mudding is done. I actually got a friend that's coming over that's doing all the sheetrock work. Well, he's not hanging it, of course, but I mean, he's doing the tape and mud, and he knows what he's doing. So he's whipped this out really quick. So we should be ready to paint here for too long.
Howdy.
You don't have much left, do you?
Getting there.
Who's the lizard? You hang it on your ear?
No.
Most people, we got lizards down here. A lot of people don't have them. And something in his mouth. But they will, they'll clamp down on you, but they don't hurt. He's just a little one. You want to eat it? If you get 3 or 4 more and a couple slices of bread, we'll be all right. So, all right, go back to test drive. All right, it's drivable, but not what I consider safe. It is, but it ain't. That rear end is absolutely kicking over, and what we're going to do is put a panhard bar on it, and that'll take care of that issue. And matter of fact, our gaps are not even right if you look. I think that's changed since we've driven it. Yeah, so it's moving over a good almost an inch. So that's the other problem that needs straightened out. But it's running good. I got it charging. Temperature's staying fine. I don't think we're going to have any major issues, but we're not going to do the panhard bar yet. We're going to take it to the cruise in tomorrow night, just like I said, right up the road here. So if anybody wants to come, it's at I Love New York Pizza in Johnsonville, North Carolina. Cameron, North Carolina. You can call it either you want. But, all right. Appreciate everybody watching. And until next time, bye.